myself Saujanya AP, Department of Electronics, Shanti Niketan PU College. Today my topic is Chapter 4, Part 1, Passive Electronic Components. This unit covers introduction, passive components, active components, resistor, resistance, applications of resistor and so on. So firstly, introduction. Introduction is nothing but today the day without ended by using electronic devices. These electronic devices consist of electronic components. So in electronic components we have majorly two types. First one is passive components and the second one is active components. So passive components are nothing but which are unable to supply energy to the electronic circuits, but they can absorb, dissipate, store energy. Examples are resistors, capacitors, inductors. Next we have active components. Active components are able to supply energy to the electronic circuits. They can also rectify, amplify and also change one form of energy into another form. Examples: semiconductor diodes, transistor, Zener diode, SCR, etc. So in this unit we majorly focus on passive components. First passive component is resistor. Resistor is nothing but which limits the flow of current. So resistor, next we have resistance. Resistance is nothing but this is the property of the material, that means conductor, which opposes the flow of current. So it is represented by capital letter R and SI unit is ohm, and this is the symbol of resistance. Next we have applications of resistor. Resistor are used in divide the voltage, protect the circuit elements, dissipate energy. So next application of resistor is limit the current. So next topic is specifications of resistors. In this we are going to study ohms rating, next power rating, tolerance, temperature coefficient, resistivity. So ohms rating, it is nothing but maximum resistance offered by the resistor when it is used in the circuit. That means maximum value of the resistance, whichever the circuit going to be designed. Next we have power rating, maximum power of a resistor that can be dissipated safely in the circuit. So it is denoted by T is equal to I square R and SI unit of power is watts. So next we have tolerance. Tolerance value is the one more specification. This is the percentage variation of the market value of the resistance. The percentage variation is about plus or minus 1% to plus or minus 20%. Next we have temperature coefficient. Temperature coefficient alpha. It is denoted by alpha. Whenever the temperature changes, the resistance of the material also changes. With respect to conductor, when the temperature increases, resistance also increases. Whereas in case of semiconductor, temperature increases, resistance will be decreases. So alpha is given by the formula RT minus R0 divided by R0 T, where alpha is temperature coefficient, RT is the resistance at T degree centigrade, R0 is the resistance at 0 degree centigrade. This is also same at 0 degree centigrade. Then T is the temperature. Next we have specific resistance specification. Specific temperature, the resistance is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the area. Rho is the constant. It is called as specific resistance or resistivity. It is represented as rho because it is the nature of the material we used. So next topic is conductance. Conductance is nothing but it is the reciprocal of resistance. That means which easily allows the current to pass through the conductors. So it is denoted by G. G is equal to 1 by R. That means G is the reciprocal of resistance. So it is SI unit is Siemens. Next we have types of resistor. So first one, fixed resistor. Second one, variable resistor. In types of resistor, we have two. First one is fixed resistor and the second one is variable resistor. Fixed resistor means the value of the resistor can be fixed. That means there is no change, but there will be a slight change due to temperature variation. Next we have variable resistor. Variable resistor is nothing but the value is changed. The value of the resistor is changed over a specified range. That means given range. Next, in the fixed resistor, we have the following types. First one is carbon composition, resistor, metal, film, resistor, wire wound, resistor. Next one is SMD, that means surface mount devices. So in variable resistor we have three types, that is potentiometer, preset, rheostat, etc. So next topic is circuit symbol of different types of resistor. So first one is fixed resistor. So we are going to write the symbol of fixed resistor. Now I am going to show. So this is the way we are going to write the symbol of fixed resistor. So this is fixed resistor. This is the symbol. Next we have variable resistor. Variable resistor. So this means the value of the resistor is going to be varied over a specified range. This arrow mark indicates the variation in the resistance value. Next we have potentiometer. So this is potentiometer circuit symbol. Next we have preset. So this is the symbol of preset resistor. So circuit symbol of different types of resistors. So first one is fixed resistor. Fixed resistor means the value is fixed. The value of the resistance is fixed. So this is the symbol. R is the resistance representation letter. Next we have variable resistor. Variable resistor means the value of the resistor is varied over a specified range. That means given range. This is the arrow mark indicates the variation in the resistor. Next we have potentiometer. So this is the potentiometer symbol. Next we have preset. Next we have fixed resistors. One by one types explanation. First one is carbon film resistor. Carbon film resistor are made by depositing the fine carbon on cylindrical ceramic rod. This deposited carbon proportion will give the exact value of the resistance. Next, metal caps with tinned copper wire LEDs are used for the external connections. Next, non-conductive material will be coated over the resistor for the insulating purpose as well as the mechanical strength. Next, we have in this carbon film resistor, the resistor is coated with band of colors. This colors gives the resistance value. These carbon film resistors are available in 1 ohm to 22 mega ohms. This will consume less power rating, so tolerance is high, stability is also poor. So carbon film resistor is made by depositing fine carbon granules on cylindrical ceramic rod. This proportion of carbon will give the exact value of the resistance. Next, it is connected with metal caps and tinned copper wires for the external connections. Next, this is coated with non-conductive material for insulation as well as mechanical support. Next, band of colors are marked for the body of the resistor to obtain the value of the resistance. These are all available in 1 ohm to 22 mega ohm, and this one will have high power rating and low tolerance and poor stability. Next we have application of carbon film resistor. Carbon film resistors are widely used because of small size and low cost. Next, it is used in electronic circuits because of accuracy is not important. So fixed resistors, carbon film resistor is over. Next we have metal film resistor. Metal film resistor are made by depositing the fine film metal on the ceramic rod. This fine film metal will be metals like nickel, chromium or aluminum metal will be used. Whenever this metal film coated on the ceramic rod, the resistance of the ceramic rod becomes almost low, that is near to 0. So this metal film deposited will be removed and makes the spirals on the body of the ceramic rod. This spiral length, width, thickness of the metal film will give the desired value of the fixed metal film resistor. So next, this will done with metal caps and LEDs for the external connections. Next, metal film resistor is coated with non-conductive material for the purpose of insulation and mechanical strength. Next, it is coated with band of colors for identification of the value of the resistance. This is also available in 1 ohm to 22 mega ohms. So this is the diagram of metal film resistor. So next we have applications of metal film resistor applications. First application, it is majorly used in TV receivers. That is first one, TV receivers. Second one, in electronic circuits for calibration. So first application is TV receivers, second application is electronic circuits for calibration. So before going to remaining two types of fixed resistors, so I will discuss color coding of resistors. So what is color coding means? The tiny size of the resistor, we cannot find out the exact value of the resistor. So that the resistances are painted or printed the circular lines of colors. So that colors will be identify the value of the resistors. This is the color coding table. So here the different types of colors and their respective values is written in the table. So first one is 4-band resistor. This resistor consisting of 3 colors, and lastly we have tolerance band. First band, second band, third band. First band goes to A, second band goes to B, third band is go for multiplier for the 4-band resistors. Similarly, 5-band resistor, first color goes to A, second color goes to B column, third color goes to C column, and the fourth color is goes for multiplier, and last one goes for tolerance. So now, how to remember these colors I will explain. So this is the short form of remembering the 9 colors, that is brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white, gold, silver, no color. So first color is black. Black indicates 0th position. Brown indicates first position. Red indicates second position. Orange indicates third one. Yellow indicates fourth. Green indicates fifth. That is blue indicates sixth position, and violet indicates seventh position, and grey indicates 8th position, white indicates 9th position. The short form is like this: B.P. Roy of Great Bangalore has very good wife. B.P. means black, brown, red, orange, yellow. B.P. Roy of Great means G. G indicates the green color. Next, Bangalore, B indicates the blue color. Next, as very, B indicates the violet. G indicates the grey color. Y indicates this one white color. Next, gold and silver are the tolerance. So gold tolerance value is plus or minus 5%. So silver indicates plus or minus 10%. No color indicates plus or minus 20%. So first I will take up with 4-band resistor formula. So how to determine the value of resistor? So this is the formula is used for the determination of 4-band resistor value. So R is equal to 10 into A plus B into multiplier plus or minus tolerance. First I will take up with blue is the first band. First band is equal to blue. So here in this table, blue is having first band, that is A. So that is equal to 6. Next we have grey. Second band is, I will consider second band color is grey. So grey is B here. So in the B column, the grey color is 8, numeric 8. That is I am going to write here. Next we have orange. third band color. Orange is equal to, we have to look for C column. So orange here it is 3. Sorry. This is third band is equal to orange, which is equal to C, which is equal to 3. Next we have tolerance, that is fourth band, gold. Gold is fourth band, gold, which is gold is having tolerance band plus or minus 5%. So apply these value to this formula. So first is blue. What is blue? Blue is R is equal to 10 into A. Blue is 6. 10 into 6 plus B is grey. Already I have given grey means 8. B band we have to look. So 8 into orange, close the bracket, into multiplier is the orange, third band. So we look for orange, we go for orange. So in the multiplier band, orange is 1 kilo ohm into 1 kilo ohm. So tolerance we have gold. So look at the table for gold, plus or minus 5%. So now solve this, we will get 68 into 1 kilo ohm plus or minus 5%. Lastly, we get the value of resistance for 4 band, 68 kilo ohm plus or minus 5%. First color is blue, that indicates the band A. Second color is grey, that indicates B, that is second column B. Next we have 1 kilo ohm, that is multiplier. We look for orange, that is 1 kilo ohm. Next we have tolerance, that is gold. Gold indicates tolerance is plus or minus 5%. Like that we are going to find out the value of 4 band resistor by using formula. So next we have for 5 band resistor formula, that is R is equal to 100 into A plus 10 into B plus C, close the bracket, into multiplier plus or minus tolerance. I will take up with the example. So first one is orange, second one is yellow, green, blue, gold. So first band color, that is A, is orange. Look at the table for orange. Where it is? It is first R is equal to 100 into orange. Orange stands for A band, that is 3. Right here. Plus 10 into B. B color is, that is second band is B, yellow. Look at for the yellow, B column. So it is 4. Right, 4 here. Next plus C. C means green color here. So go for green color. Where it is green in C column. Green indicates 5 plus 5. Close the bracket, into multiplier. Multiplier is the blue color. Blue color is stands for 1 mega ohm in the multiplier column. Right, 1 mega ohm. Next we have lastly tolerance band plus or minus gold, that is plus or minus 5%. 5%. So next R is equal to 100 into 3, it gives 300 plus 10 into 4, it gives 40 plus 5. into multiplier, that is 1 mega ohm plus or minus 5%. So add these three, you will get 345 into 1 mega ohm plus or minus 5%. Finally, we are going to write 345 mega ohm plus or minus 5%. So this is how we are going to determine the value of 4-band resistor as well as 5-band resistor. So next we are move on to remaining two topics of fixed resistor, that is surface mount device resistor and wire wound resistor. So before color coding method, I have explained fixed type resistor two types, that is carbon film resistor and metal film resistor. So now I will explain remaining two types of resistors, fixed resistors. First one is SMD, that is surface mount device resistor, and next one is wire wound resistor. This is a small rectangular resistor. It is made by depositing ceramic body, depositing metal oxide. On the body of ceramic we are going to deposit the metal oxide to obtain the value of the surface mount device. So this metal oxide determines the thickness determines the thickness, width and length, that determines the value of the surface mount device resistor value. So here it is represented in 3-digit and 4-digit representation. So 3-digit resistor, this here the 2 digits represents the resistance value and the 3rd digits indicates the multiplier. So it is 2 to 3. It is the surface mount resistor 2 to 3. 2 indicates the resistance value and 3 indicates the multiplier. Into 10 power 3, 22 into 10 power 3. So 10 power 3 we are going to write 3 zeros. 22 followed by 3 zeros. So we determine the value of 3 this resistor is 22 kilo ohm. Next we have 4R7. This is the resistor with radix point. Radix point means decimal point. 4R7 is nothing but 4.7 ohm. Next we have 0 ohm resistor. So this on the top of the ceramic body, that is surface mount device, they are going to write 0. So this indicates the 0 ohm. Next we have, like this also they will give in the examination for the find out the solution of the surface mount device. R is equal to 390. First 2 digit indicates the resistance value. Next digit is for 10 powers, that is 10 power 0. If we do the calculations, we will get 39 ohm. Next we have one more example. R is equal to 392. First 2 digits indicates the resistance value and next one is the multiplier, that is 10 power 2. This indicates, this calculations gives the 3.9 kilo ohm. So surface mount device is nothing but it is a very small rectangular shape. So it is a ceramic body. On this ceramic body metal oxide is placed. Metal oxide thickness and width will give the value of the resistance. Next it is having LEDs for the external connections. So how we are going to determine the value of this SMD means by we are using this will be printed on the body of the SMD resistor. So that is, this is the first example. So 2 to 3 indicates, first 2 digits indicates the resistance value and 3rd digit, that is indicates the multiplier. So 22 followed by 3 zeros, 22,000 ohm. So we can write this 22 ohm as 22 kilo ohm. So next we have applications of surface mount device resistor. So it is majorly used in calculators, pocket calculators, cell phones and electronic circuits for space constraint and PCB designs.